Hundreds of protesters gathered to denounce the arrival of U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken in Ramallah. As Blinken arrived under tight security in the occupied West Bank today, the Palestinians are furious at America's full support to Israel in their actions in Gaza and their foreign policies towards the Palestinians in general. Hostilities in Gaza and the West Bank continue as intense Israeli bombardment from air, land and sea spread across the Strip with concentration on central and southern areas, while raids and incursions of Palestinian territories in the West Bank persist, causing casualties and significant destruction of properties and infrastructure.
Israeli media on Wednesday quoted an Egyptian official saying that Israel sent a delegation on Wednesday to Cairo for a new round of talks on a potential deal about the release of hostages held by Hamas. Israeli Security Cabinet is also scheduled to meet on Wednesday night to discuss about the deal. War Minister Benny Gantz told a news conference in Tel Aviv in the afternoon that Hamas has lost control in most areas in Gaza and the Israeli army will continue its military operation, but the most important thing now is the returning of hostages.